Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal University School, Deship. Student, our topic is Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1, Set and Function. Lecture number 5, HW number 4. At first I will solve question number 14. Look, prove that number of A equal to P, number of B equal to Q, A intersection B equal to 5. Then number of A union B equal to P plus Q. Okay student, look, right, given that number of A equal to P, number of B equal to Q, A intersection B equal to 5. Now write left hand side, number of A union B equal to P plus Q. Okay student, now we know the formula. Number of A union B equals number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Okay, we know this formula. Now put the value. Number of A means what? P. Number of B means Q. And number of A intersection B, this is actually Hossain. This is called actually Hossain. Okay, and put the Hossain or the blank set, okay, or empty set. Therefore you can write P plus Q, and this is the right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Right here proved. Now question number 15. Prove that A, B and C are finite sets. Then number of A union B union C equals number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of C intersection A plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Student, you know the commutative law A union B equals, we can write B union A. Similarly, B intersection A and A intersection B equals same. And we know the formula number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B and number of A intersection B. Okay, we know this formula. Using these postulates, we will solve the question on 15. Okay student, now write left hand side. Left hand side. Left hand side is number of A union B union C. You consider A means, you have to consider A means A and B intersect B union C means B. That means number of A union B. We have to use this formula. Number of A, number of B minus number of A intersection B. A intersection B. That means you consider this is A and B union C means B. Okay. Now use number of A plus number of B union C minus number of A intersection B union C. Number of A plus number of B union C minus number of A intersection B. Student, look, this is number of A plus number of B, you have to compare that formula. Number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. B means here B union C. Okay, now number of A, use the same formula, number of B plus number of C minus number of B intersection C. Look, number of A plus number of B union C, up to this we can write this. Look, number of A plus number of B, this is equal to number of C minus number of B intersection C. Now we will solve this or calculate here. Look, A intersection B union C. Now we have to use here the distributive law of sets. That means distributive law of sets, right? And then what? A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, student, look, number of A intersection B union A intersection C. This is called the distributive law of set. This is called distributive law of sets. And right here, distributive law. Okay, now number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus number of B intersection C. Again you have to use the first formula, that means number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Okay, so right here number of A intersection B plus number of A intersection C minus number of A intersection B A intersection C. Student, look, you have to use that formula, number of A, number of B minus number of A intersection C. A means here A intersection B and intersection A intersection C. Now number of A plus number of B, number of C minus plus minus, right? Minus plus minus minus plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Look here, A intersection B intersection A intersection C. That means in a word we can write A intersection B intersection C. Student, now look at the proof. You see here there is written number of C intersection A, and I have written here number of A intersection C. This is called commutative law of sets. Okay, so we can write like this way: number of A, number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersection B according to the proof. Then number of B intersection C, then number of C intersection A plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Student, look. Now look, number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersection B, then number of B intersection C, then minus number of C intersection A plus number of A intersection B intersection C. That means left hand side is equal right hand side. Right hand side. Therefore, we have to write left hand side equal to right hand side. Right here proved. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. Now look, now I will talk about your SW, norm 4. Exercise 1.1, page number 21, question number 12 and 13. Okay, you have to solve question number 12 and 13 as per the definition of the lecture number 1. Okay student, no more today. You have to practice more and more. See you again.